Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the screen flickering issue on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. Now you have to click on the system, then click on display. Scroll down, you'll find the scale and layout. So you have here the display resolution and the scale. Make sure that you have to choose as to what is recommended, because if you're choosing what is recommended, then you will not face the issue. So click on this drop down arrow and you have to choose the list in the list as to what is recommended. Also for the display resolution, you just need to simply choose the display resolution which is recommended. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find advanced display. And here you'll find choose a refresh rate. Just simply choose as to what is the higher value from here. And then once you're done with this, close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. You'll find device manager under the best match. You can simply click on that. But you can also access the device manager window through the start button, just making a right click on it, and then you have to select device manager and the same window will appear from here. So in this window, we are going to look for the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. So you might be having a different graphics card driver from mine. So I have the Intel RUHD graphics. It could be any of the graphics driver that you have on your Windows. All you have to do is make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you'll find all the available drivers on your Windows. Now, if you're having a problem with the first one, then you can simply choose the second one. So it is more specific. Here is a tip that you are just going to, or you can choose as to what is a specific, or there's a specified manufacturer. Like here we have the Intel RUHD graphics. Then you also have here the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, and this is more specific. So you just have to click on next, and then after updating the driver, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart to Windows. And if you're having a problem with any of the option, you can simply choose as to what option or driver in the list of drivers will work for you, and then restart your Windows afterwards. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.